Wouldn't it be wonderful if your desires and dreams could come true without immense effort? What if I told you that by simply wishing for 30 seconds, you can turn your dreams into reality? In just half a minute, you possess an extraordinary ability to transform your grandest aspirations into tangible wonders using the boundless power of your imagination and the incredible potential of your mind. It's akin to witnessing your dreams materialize in the blink of an eye. As you close your eyes and envision what you yearn for, you set in motion a sequence of events. It's like signaling to the universe, I am prepared for my dreams to become reality. Your desires become a radiant beacon of hope. Though time may appear to be fleeting, in these 30 seconds, it is your ally. Each passing moment contributes to the construction of your dreams. It's akin to conducting a harmonious symphony of your wishes in collaboration with the universe. Then, in a climax akin to a grand finale in a music show, something extraordinary transpires. In those 30 seconds, your imagination and reality seamlessly merge. What were once distant dreams now stand close enough to touch. It's akin to embarking on a thrilling, high-speed adventure. Your visualizations spring to life with a powerful surge of energy, filling the air around you with the promise of your dreams manifesting into reality. It's an exhilarating, heart-pounding experience that illuminates the immense power you wield when you visualize your desires in just half a minute. In this video, I will share with you the technique to manifest your dreams and desires into reality. Embrace these 30 seconds of magic and witness your wishes take flight with such intensity that you'll be left feeling exhilarated, astonished, and forever transformed. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Before we proceed, I want to emphasize what not to do while practicing this manifestation technique. Many may tell you what to do, but addressing what should be avoided is just as crucial. When performing this technique, maintain pure intentions and unwavering belief that whatever you wish for using this method will come true. Repeat this affirmation, whatever is written on this paper is true. My dreams and desires are real, and I am living them right now. By uttering these affirmations, you're essentially resetting your subconscious mind. You're conveying a resounding message that you have unwavering faith in the universe and trust in your higher self. This repetition is your secret weapon against doubt and skepticism. Even when life brings about changes, your subconscious, comforted by these affirmations, won't resist as strongly. It's like offering a warm blanket of assurance to your inner mind. Moreover, this practice instills in you an unshakable belief that you are genuinely worthy of boundless happiness, prosperity, and abundant wealth. And here's a little secret: if your deepest desire happens to be a loving partner, don't be surprised if this incredible 30-second technique leads you to embrace that dream too. It's all within your reach. To begin this technique, grab a piece of paper and a pen. It may seem like just paper and pen, but with these simple tools, you have the power to manifest anything. You could attain a promotion at work, receive a message from that specific person, acquire a new car, or be free of all debts. It could be anything, physical healing or good health. It might sound unbelievable, but it's true. When we connect and align our subconscious, our mind, emotions, and beliefs, we can manifest almost instantly. So, now it's time for you to take your pen and paper, and let's get started. While this technique may be related to the affirmations technique, there is a distinction. Both techniques are amazing and work splendidly, but the difference lies in the fact that with affirmations, you have to repeat things over and over. This can be time-consuming, and you have to allocate separate time for the affirmation technique. I understand that all of my viewers are busy and need something that works instantly. So here is the 30-second technique. In this method, you'll have to write it down just once and state a positive affirmation while connecting to the divine power. Take a pen and paper and write down the statement of your desires. However, don't just write, "I wish I had a car," or "I want a dream car," or "Please God, give me my dream car." If you manifest this way, your dreams may not come true. If you've been following my channel, you already know how not to pray. If you're new to my channel, make sure to watch the video on how to perform a prayer. It might surprise you. You can find the link in the description below. Now, the statement that you're going to write on the paper should be in the present tense. If you desire a dream car, write your statement as "I have my dream car. I am very happy with it. Thank you, God, for making my dream a reality." Or, "I love road trips in my new car. I embrace my true self, and I am living my dream life with my new car. The desires I was praying for have finally been answered by God. I am very thankful for this life and blessing." When you write your desires in this manner, your subconscious will believe that all the statements are true, and you are already living in the reality you desire. The best way to attract your desires is by living in the state of reality you want to manifest. By doing so, you will connect with the mind of God. So, get your notebook and pen and write those deeply emotionalized sentences. It's not just about a car. You can write about any desire you have. Perhaps you want money and abundance. Write, "From this moment, I embrace my true self. I attract wealth and abundance wherever I go. Money loves me, and I am always abundant. I live a wealthy life. Thank you, God, for your blessings. Thank you, universe, for this life." This isn't a daily task. You write it just once. It will only take 30 seconds of your time. Now, look at the paper and feel the emotions. Add emotions and beliefs to those sentences. Feel the emotions for 30 seconds. Keep that notebook in a safe place with proper airflow, and make sure it's never covered in dust or dirt. Now, you can open that notebook once in a while and feel all the emotional rush, or better yet, picture this ritual becoming a part of your nightly routine. Each evening, before you drift into slumber, you open that notebook. It's like stepping into a world where your dreams have already unfurled their wings. It's not just about the words you've penned, it's about the emotions you infuse into them. You must wholeheartedly believe in the cosmic forces at play and trust that what you've etched in that notebook is your reality right now. It's about letting your subconscious engage in a divine dance with the universe, a collaboration of dreams and destiny. And here's the magical part: you won't even notice it at first, but gradually, your energy will shift. Trust this mystical process with all your heart. Watch as the world around you transforms in ways you couldn't have fathomed. Every twist of fate, every opportunity, every moment will conspire to lead you towards your dreams and goals without you even realizing it. It's the universe's way of saying, "Your wish is my command."